Hello, amigos. Welcome back. This is Cheesy Bros Gaming here, Cheese Hole and Cheese Pack. And what is this game even called?
I just downloaded this. It's called Okay, it's called like Doggy Dog World. Okay.
Wow. So
we
the
just
entire point of the game is to kill stuff and get points. So, this is retarded. Oh my goodness. Run through a building. Tree. Oh, there's a person.
Where?
Move out of the way.
Wait, blow him up with a bomb.
Oops.
Oh!
I still think I killed him.
Yeah. Hit that truck.
Ow!
Oh.
Jump it!
Some people. Is that a whatever?
Oh! And you're like an invincible dog.
There, killer. Hey, little Jimmy. Jimmy's over there.
Oh!
Oh!
Where's Jimmy?
There he is. Oh wait, no, that's not.
Yeah. Dang it.
It's hard to blow him up.
Oh! This is so retarded.
Blow it up. What the heck? Oh!
I'm trying to find people. Oh, car.
Oh, look at that thing. Yeah, oh my. There we go. I can't see where the people.
What?
Is there a barrier? Oh.
Move out of the way. Time is running out.
Oh, he just got
Yeah,
ran
I know.
over.
Yes.
Oh, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, well, he's dead. Yes.
Oh, there. Oh, dude, like 100 people. Oh.
5, 4. What's the buzzer? I'm gonna hit a tree.
Yeah.
Time to go.
Wow. Look at that.
Alright. I'm gonna kill some people. Guts are gonna splatter. The town is gonna be covered in guts. Death. Alright. Go.
Oh, nice.
Die. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Dude, the dog, though.
No, go forward. Can't see. Okay, people.
Through a brick wall.
People. Oh. Oh crap. Can't see. Oh, I almost hit her with a tree though. Ooh.
Oh, there's another person.
Oh! Where'd you go? There you are. Oh! Look at that leap.
Midair! Jump it! Oh, there's a gas pump.
Oh gosh, watch this. This is gonna be beautiful. No, I hit it before I threw the bomb. Come on, people. Ooh, neat. Rain shower? What? Where are the people? Oh gosh. That's gonna blow. Yeah. What's this? Bomber. I'm going. Wait, lady. Stay there for 3 seconds, please. Oh gosh. Oh, I didn't get her. Oh yeah, she's stuck though. She's frozen. Sweet, I'm gonna blow her up now. Yeah, take it.
We are in peril.
Oh wow, would you look at that? She's still alive. Dang it. Kill her. What the?
Oh, what?
Oh, look, she's still in her same position, but she just fell
Whoa.
over. Enough talk.
Boom.
Gadoosh. Oh. Holy crap! Whee!
Oh, there's another person.
I'll just leave you to do that. Oh. Oh. That was horrible. Where did you go?
5 seconds.
Burn you. Dang it.
At
Yeah.
the buzzer.
What?
No.
No, I ain't watching.
We'll go one more time, guys.
Alright.
This is the most pointless game ever.
I think there's missions too that you can do.
How can you find other dogs?
I don't know.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Jeez.
Wow. I will find you. Ah.
What? Oh gosh.
Flying ninja leap. Yeah. It's a black. Wow.
Oh my goodness. Don't hit it. Don't hit it. Oh.
Whoa. I don't. Person. You can run. Wow. Ah.
Oh. Hey lady. Oh.
Hey, lady. What?
Uh-oh.
He has to pee. Oh no.
We're just gonna blow ourselves up so we can move.
What?
What the heck?
Well, I guess that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigo. Adios, amigos. And drop your spleen on that like button.